If you have a sliding door and blank wall, but you want art and functionality and the aesthetic, welcome to Mandala Barn Doors. We're here at the Palm Beach Home Designer Remodeling Show, and I'm here with Shakira, and we've had an incredible weekend showcasing the top products, and this is absolutely stunning. Tell us a little bit about it.
We have 100% hand-carved teak panels framed in solid oak. They come in a variety of designs and finishes, as you can see here, ranging from weathered gray with ebony framing to indigo blue with white framing. We also offer double-sided carvings as well as hidden track systems.
Absolutely, and this is made and assembled right here locally as well. And the reactions that you guys must have received over the weekend, people have never seen this before.
It's a unique product we're bringing to the market.
And it has the functionality and everything that people are looking for, but it's a different design element, different structure in the sense of what they could put into their home to really make their home special and different.
Absolutely. We're here and we can design to your liking. So colors, fit, shape, size, we're here for you.
And we have a couple of colors right here. We have this blue, it's like an indigo blue. And then over here we have this gray whitewash. Beautiful product, incredible quality.
Come check us out at mandalabarndoors.com.